Now we're out here on the patio, deck, pool area. One thing I can say, here it's very safe. Cover the pool so we won't have any small animals or anything like that falling in, but still what is growing in our pool. The roof area, we did the best we can, but at the same time, bad weather. So I am grateful that we do still have some semblance of a roof up here. The deck needs to be completely redone. But once it's done, it's going to be gorgeous. As you can see, we need help. And I want to be HGTV'd. Thank you.